Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I have filmed for you a full face using over $1,000 worth of products. We have Dior, Chanel, Hourglass, I've got Lancome, I've got Charlotte Tilbury, Kevyn, Aucoin, we've got Natasha Denona, so we've got so many products. If you want to see the look that I've created for you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell, and of course give me a big thumbs up, and let's get straight into the video.
Hey guys, so we are just switching over to a voiceover for this part of the video. The first product I'm going in with is the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. This is definitely the most expensive primer that I own in my collection. It has gold flakes in it. It's very bougie, but it is a really beautiful product actually. It blurs the skin really nice, fills in the pores. It's a very silicone-like primer. That's how I would describe how it feels, but it is really nice. And then to give my face a little bit more glow, we're going in with the Glamglow Mega Illuminating Moisturiser. This product smells amazing for one. I mean, just the smell of it alone is so appealing, but it does give a really beautiful glow to the skin, and you'll see that it just as I turn my head, it gives a really natural glow. You can wear this product alone or underneath foundation, of course. Next product I'm going in with is by far my new favorite foundation. This is the Dior Backstage foundation. It is very, very liquidy, as you can see, but the thing that I love the most about this product is it actually looks like skin. It's one of the only foundations I've ever purchased that actually look like skin. It's very lightweight. You definitely would need to build up the coverage on this, and you can, it is buildable, but to do that you'd probably want to use a brush, where I'm going in with a sponge, which does absorb a little bit more of the product, but that's okay. I only went in with the one layer. My skin's looking really good at the moment, so I didn't really feel like I needed that much coverage, and I just think it looks very, very skin-like. It's such a beautiful product. The next product is the Estee Lauder Doublewear Stay in Place Flawless Concealer. So I'm just putting that under my eyes, down the center of my face, on my chin, on my forehead, all the usual places we usually highlight, and I believe the shade in this is 1N. So this is just going to put a little bit of dimension back into the face, and then I'm going back in with the same beauty blender again and just blending everything out. I like to be really, really thorough with my blending, and honestly, if I didn't edit this down, it would probably be 10 minutes of just blending. But yeah, nearly done. Now the next product that we're about to go in with is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. I really love this product. It is very finely milled, and it does not alter the color of your concealer, which I love. And the brush that I'm using to apply that with is the Morphe E48. So I'm just packing that product onto the brush and then just dabbing it under the eye a few times, and you can see how much brightness I get under there from this product. It's really nice, like I said, finely milled, and it doesn't crease or look cakey or, you know, any of that grossness that you don't want under the eye. This product definitely doesn't do that. Next, we have the Chanel Soleil Tan Day Chanel. I have used this product so many times, guys, and I swear it just does not go down. This by far is one of the nicest products I have in my collection. It's actually the only Chanel product I have as well, but this bronzer is such a staple. It blends so beautifully. The color is absolutely stunning. It just gives you such a natural bronzy kind of look, like you've maybe just been on vacation. I really, really love it, and most times that I use this product, I just use the Real Techniques. This is just a stippling brush, but blends out the product really, really nicely. I don't know, I just think it's such a natural color. It blends so well. It wears all day. Yeah, I'm a big, big fan of this product, and yeah, it's definitely the only Chanel product I own because they are quite expensive. And next I'm going in with the Lancome Absolute powder. I saw Jaclyn Hill talking about this, so of course I had to run out and buy it. It has light reflecting technologies, or that's what the guy at the Lancome counter said. So as you turn your head in the lights, in different lights, you can really see the beautiful glow that it gives your skin. If you don't like glowy skin, you would not by any means enjoy this product. That's just personally a look that I like. So I'm going in with the Morphe E3 brush, and I'm just setting my whole face with the powder. I think it's so beautiful. I love a glow to the skin. I just think there's something so healthy about it. Next is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Sculpting powder. I don't know, this was around back in the day. A lot of people used to talk about this. I have it in the shade Light. This is the most perfect contour product. The shade is so natural. It's very skin-like. It's very expensive for the size that you get. I believe you only get something like 4 grams of product. It is a pretty penny, but it is very, very natural. It's a perfect color for contouring. So I'm just going with that product under the cheeks, and I'm also just going to contour my nose a little bit as well. I have a bit of a crooked nose and it is a little bulbous as well. So I'm just using a little bit of that powder to try and hide that. And if I didn't already say, that is the Morphe M527 that I'm using to apply that product. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop, I think it is. Yeah, Swish and Pop blusher. This product's funny. It looks like a nipple, but it's really nice. I'm just going in with my Sigma F40 brush, and you've got a lighter color and the darker color in the center. So I'm just swishing my brush through each color and tapping off any excess, and then just applying that to the apples of the cheeks. Now the next product is the Diorskin Nude Air Luminizer. This is in the shade 001. Honestly, guys, for the price that this cost me, I mean, it is a nice highlight. It's very, very natural. I was kind of expecting a little bit more bang for my buck. I definitely probably wouldn't recommend to purchase this. I think you can get a lot more nicer ones for a much more affordable price. That's just my 2 cents. It is pretty, but it's just very subtle. Some days I like subtle highlights, some days I want something with a little bit more of a pop. But yeah, I was just kind of expecting a little bit more for the price that I paid. As opposed to this one, this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. I really love this for a natural highlight. It's very beautiful. I only just recently purchased this palette. I don't know why it took me so long. And something that I've been doing recently, you can see I'm just mixing these 2 colors together here. I've just been applying that highlight more in the center of the face. It's such a natural highlight, and I love the way that the overall looks. Yeah, it's just really, really pretty. And the next product that I'm going in with is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Glow Water. Newer purchase for me. Very, very nice. Gives a nice glow to the skin. And of course, I need to take my Halo Beauty for the day. Video coming soon. And next we're going in with the Benefit Brow Zing. This is the Total Taming and Shaping Kit. I'm just first using the powder, and then I also use the wax as well. Yeah, it's a really nice product. The powder matches my brow color really well. I'm blonde. I'm fairly light, so I don't know. I mean, it's a brow powder. What can you really say? Are there any bad brow powders? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just filling in my brows using the spoolie on the end to kind of comb that through, see what spots I've missed, and then I kind of go in with the wax in just the tail area of my brow. It's slightly darker. I like to have that gradient look. To set the brows, I'm going in with the Givenchy Mr. Brow Grwm. I really like this. Actually, it gives such a beautiful feathered look. It's probably one of the only brow products that I have that set the brows that give it a really, really feathery look. Yeah, it's a really great product. And of course, being Givenchy, it is expensive, but it is actually a really great product. Next, we're going in with some Natasha Denona. Now, I'm keeping the eye look pretty simple. This is one of the 5 PM palettes. This is in palette 02, and I'm going in with the shade, I don't know if it's rosewood or maroon. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm just picking that one up on the Wayne Goss 20 brush. And this is something that I've been doing lately, is I've just been focusing that right along the lash line and slightly smoking it out in the outer corner. This shade as well, particularly, it's got a bit of a shimmer to it. It's just a really nice soft brown. I've just really been liking this look. I kind of whack a little bit of mascara on and it just looks really great. It gives some dimension to the eye. It's super, super easy. Anybody can literally do this. And once I've packed all that color down, I kind of am just continuing to build it up to the color that I like and the intensity that I like. I am just taking the Morphe E23 brush and blending that out just to make sure there is no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Curler. I think it's been in every single one of my videos, and the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. I believe it's called. And so first I'm just curling the lashes and doing a few coats of mascara. I believe as well this is one of the most expensive mascaras in my collection. You definitely don't need this. There are some amazing drugstore alternates, but that would defeat the purpose of this video. But this definitely is a very, very beautiful mascara, and I definitely will repurchase once I run out. It lengthens, volumes, it lasts well all day. Okay, now we're going in with the under eye. So I didn't want the look to be too basic. So this is the Tropic palette by Natasha Denona, and I'm picking up the shade Xena on a Zoeva 234 Luxe Smoky Shader, and I'm just packing that color on from the outer corner, almost 3/4 of the way across. So I'm leaving my very inner corner blank, and I'm just packing that color under there. It's a beautiful lilac purple. I just wanted to give the look a little bit of something more. I don't want it to be too boring, like I said. And this color is so pretty. I actually think this is one of the only colors in the palette I haven't used before, and I will definitely be using it again. And then I am just going in with another Zoeva brush just to once again blend and make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Now I'm picking up the shade Limoncello, and sorry, the brush, I have no idea. I think I bought this on eBay like 10 years ago. I'm just packing that color Limoncello into the inner corner just to add a bit of brightness. I actually do reach for this shade a lot for the inner corner. I think it's really, really pretty. It's a really, really nice yellow, a very nice yellow, and it looks very complementary, very beautiful right in the inner corner. And I am actually about to get I'm about to zoom in for you guys so that you can see the eye look much better. But first we are just going in and applying some mascara to the bottom lashes. And just a bit of a close-up for you guys so you can see that look. So it's, like I said, nothing complex. It's very simple, but it's really pretty. I really, really enjoy it. Okay, next up for lips, we have the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip. This is a lip liner. This is in the shade 3C. So I'm just lining the lips with that before we go in with our next product, which is the MAC Cosmetics. This is the Nikita Joy Matte Lipstick. And I'm just applying that all over the lips. And to finish the look off, we are going in with a gloss. So this is the Marc Jacobs. This is one of their new hydrating lip gloss sticks in the shade Mocha Chocolate. I just felt like a gloss would complement this look really nicely. So just applying some gloss on the top, and that is the look done. Oh, and just going back in with that setting spray once more just to finish everything off. So I hope you enjoyed this look, guys. I had so much fun filming it for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.